Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to handle high ticket volume efficiently with a small team using your free Freshdesk plan. First, use ticket priorities to focus. Open your tickets page. Add the priority column by clicking the gear icon and selecting it. Sort your list by priority high to low. Now, start your day by tackling the high and urgent tickets first. Now, use canned responses for speed. In any ticket, click the paperclip icon in the reply box to insert a saved response. Have canned replies for your top 5 most common questions ready to go. This lets you answer in seconds. Next, set up simple automations. Go to Admin and Workflow Automata. Create a rule where ticket is created and category is billing. Triggers an action to auto-assign it to your billing expert. This automatically routes tickets to the right person. Use the SLA policy feature to avoid missing tickets. In Admin, find SLA policies. Create a policy that sets a due time, like 8 hours, for high priority tickets. This puts a visible timer on the ticket to keep your team on track. Finally, hold a quick daily huddle using the Reports section. Check the ticket volume report to see which types of tickets are coming in most. Use this to adjust your canned responses and automations for the next day. And that's it. You're prioritizing by urgency, using canned replies, automating routing, setting response deadlines, and using data to adapt. If this helped your small team handle more tickets, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.